Good morning. Today we expect a soft start due to weakness across the global markets. The railway budget is not expected to swing the mood on the bourses. That might only happen when the union budget is announced on Friday. Probably that even might not be the case given the concerns on local as well as global fronts. The uneven consolidation phase might prevail for some time, and the best way to overcome the near-term uncertainty is to stay put and not try doing anything adventurous. US stocks ended sharply lower on Tuesday after a sharp drop in consumer confidence heightened worries over a vulnerable part of the economy. Stocks stumbled, but strength in banking stocks helped trim those losses. The Dow dropped 116 points, the Nasdaq was down 42 points, and the S&P was up 13 points. China's decision to temper growth by limiting bank loans and fears of Greece's debt crisis spreading to other European nations have also played a role in the markets seesawing. Among the Asian markets, Nikkei of Japan is trading down by 1.82% and Hang Seng is down by 0.85%. The FIIs were net buyers in the cash segment on Tuesday at Rs 5.5 billion on a provisional basis, while the local funds were net sellers of Rs 1.8 billion, according to figures published on the NSE website. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 2.38 billion. Kalpataru Power plans to raise up to $125 million through issue of shares to institutional investors. The initial share sale offer of United Bank of India got fully subscribed on the first day of issue on Tuesday. Foreign currency loans by Indian companies declined 15.3% to $1.33 billion in January 2010 from $1.56 billion a year ago, according to the data released by the RBI. Over 700 American banks are at a risk of failing, according to a report from the Federal Deposit Insurance Company. The technical calls for the day are HDFC buy. Traders are recommended to buy the stock between the range of Rs 2,505 and 2,520 with a stop loss of Rs 2,490 for a target of Rs 2,570. Mahindra & Mahindra sell. Traders are recommended to sell the stock at levels of Rs 981 with a stop loss of Rs 994 for a target of Rs 955. On the F&O side, Long Financial Technologies Limited Feb future at Rs 1,516 for the target price of Rs 1,565, and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 1,500 for a lot size of 150. And Long Hindalco Feb future at Rs 1,154 for a target of Rs 164, and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 149 for a lot size of 3,518. Thank you and have a great day ahead.